Hey, welcome back to part 4 of this video. Didn't want to make it part 4, but my camera, the memory card just keeps dying out. So, where we last left off was left spin direction. Finally getting to lock into left spin direction. R4 launchers, spinning it in, defense tip. So, yeah. Now we're going to go for attack tip mode. So now, left spin, attack, tip. Pretty good, pretty good. Maybe about the same as if it was in right spin mode. Yeah, unfortunately I'm not going to do any battles, but, I don't know why, but for some reason left spin bays do not really want to lock into any of the launchers. They just have the hardest time. Yeah, I don't care. I'm not doing this one for that. So, you're not getting a sun tip, you're not getting a relaunch. Whatever it is, I say don't use this one. Just go ahead, like, free ahoy with his drain fan wheel and just give it a hand spin. Yeah. I don't think we did this one yet. Or maybe we did do this one. Yeah, I can't remember. So many different ones. Not too bad with this one. Maybe we did do this one. I don't know, I gotta put these in the order. And sword launcher. Which the sword one, it quits in nice and easy on the sword one. Good. Sword one won 2 times. Defense tip and attack tip in, the left spin mode. So, left spin mode, final form, stamina tip. Not too bad, not too bad. Not too good, but not too bad. Oh, actually, that one kind of hurt me a little bit. Stamina tip in the left-right spin launcher. Okay. Let's give it a whirl. What's this one? About the same, I would say. You're getting a pretty good airflow coming off this one. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but the teeth on this one just doesn't really want to lock in there. It just kind of wants to hang.